And the lead is taken by Hold That Cut by the Way, Wondrous Win on the outside, Location the farther outside, Unpredictable, and Perfect Pajama is moving up on the inside. The mid-back stretch, it's Hold That Cut in the lead, followed now by Perfect Pajama, Wondrous Win on the outside, moving up in between horses, Unpredictable, and Late Choice on the farther outside. Nearing the far turn, the lead is taken over now by Perfect Pajama by the rail. Hold That Cut on the outside in second, Unpredictable, Wondrous Win and Late Choice. Rounding the far turn, Perfect Pajama by the rail. On the outside is Hold That Cut, Unpredictable, moving up on the inside, Late Choice. In between horses, Wondrous Win. The last bend for home, Hold That Cut on the outside, Perfect Pajama by the rail. Unpredictable, moving up on the inside. The top of the stretch, it's Hold That Cut, Wondrous Win, in between horses, Unpredictable, and Perfect Pajama, Late Choice. It's Hold That Cut in the lead, followed by Wondrous Win on the farther outside, Unpredictable. It's Wondrous Win in the outside, and by the way, it's Unpredictable, and finally at the pay-up line, it's Wondrous Win, and close, Unpredictable, Hold That Cut.